Bitcoin price prediction. Surge to $61,600 amid ETF launches. Is $70,000 next? Arslan Butt last updated March 1, 2024 220 EST Foreman read. In the latest Bitcoin price prediction, BTC's price surged to $61,600, marking a 0.50% increase amid Asia's trading session on Friday. This rise is aligned with the introduction of spot Bitcoin ETFs by prominent financial institutions like Bank of America's Merrill Lynch and Wells Fargo, showcasing Bitcoin's escalating acceptance and potential for substantial growth. Analysts forecast Bitcoin could reach between $100,000 and $200,000, driven by institutional adoption and the anticipation of the halving event, indicating a bullish future and a new chapter in Bitcoin's valuation journey. Spot Bitcoin ETFs launched by major banks signals growing cryptocurrency acceptance. Following the SEC's nod last month, Bank of America's Merrill Lynch and Wells Fargo have begun offering spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs to their select wealth management clientele. This development underscores Bitcoin's growing appeal as an asset class, offering investors exposure to Bitcoin without the need for direct ownership. The launch of these ETFs, especially post the 2022 crypto winter, has attracted new investors and reignited interest in the cryptocurrency. Some are even pivoting from traditional gold-backed ETFs to Bitcoin, viewing it as digital gold. Key points: spot Bitcoin ETFs now available through BofA's Merrill Lynch and Wells Fargo. Investor interest revived post-crypto winter, with some favoring Bitcoin over gold ETFs. Analysts predict Bitcoin could reach $150,000 driven by institutional adoption. Analysts, including those from Bernstein, are optimistic, forecasting Bitcoin's price could soar to $150,000 due to institutional adoption. Despite this enthusiasm, Vanguard remains cautious, opting out of offering spot Bitcoin ETFs, illustrating the varied stances among financial institutions. This move by BofA and Wells Fargo, as reported by Bloomberg Law, signals a significant step towards broader institutional and investor engagement with Bitcoin, potentially bolstering its market price. Bitcoin ETFs poised for unprecedented growth, predicts Bitwise's CIO. Bitwise's chief investment officer, Matt Haugen, forecasts a surge in institutional investments into Bitcoin ETFs in the forthcoming months, heralding what he describes as Bitcoin's IPO moment. The increasing willingness of prominent wirehouses, such as Wells Fargo and Merrill Lynch from Bank of America, to offer Bitcoin ETFs to their affluent clientele is expected to significantly boost institutional interest in Bitcoin. This shift is seen as a pivotal phase in price discovery, potentially propelling Bitcoin prices to new heights amidst the upcoming halving event and favorable supply-demand dynamics. Haugen speculates that Bitcoin's valuation could eclipse previous projections, potentially reaching between $100,000 and $200,000. This optimism is underpinned by the notable capital inflows into Bitwise's Bitcoin ETF, among others, setting the stage for a bullish trend in Bitcoin's market value in the near term. Key points: institutional investments in Bitcoin ETFs forecasted to increase significantly. Bitcoin's IPO moment anticipated to drive price discovery and bullish momentum. Bitcoin price is expected to reach between $100,000 and $200,000, says Bitwise's CIO. BlackRock Brazil debuts BDR ETF mirroring US Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock Brazil is set to launch a Brazilian depository receipts BDR ETF on March 1, designed to mirror its US spot Bitcoin ETF, providing Brazilian investors with a regulated means to access Bitcoin. The BDRF, with an administrative fee of 0.25%, aims to replicate the performance of BlackRock's USF, initially targeting substantial asset holders with retail sales pending approval. This introduction into the B3 platform, which already hosts 13 crypto ETFs worth a combined $503 million, is expected to significantly boost Bitcoin's popularity in Brazil. Key points: BlackRock Brazil to launch BDR ETF akin to US Bitcoin ETF. BDR ETF set to enhance Brazilian investors' access to Bitcoin. BlackRock's expansion indicates rising institutional interest in cryptocurrencies. Following the successful accumulation of $8 billion in assets under management by BlackRock's US Bitcoin ETF shortly after its launch, the firm's potential expansion into a spot Ether ETF in Brazil, pending SEC approval, reflects growing institutional cryptocurrency interest. This trend is likely to contribute to sustained BTC price increases. Bitcoin price prediction. On March 1, Bitcoin BTC/USDS pivot point at $60,824, with the crypto facing immediate resistance levels at $63,827, $66,524, and $69,983. Support is established at lower marks of $58,982, $55,962, and $53,372, offering potential cushions for any downturns. Key points. Bitcoin shows bullish signs above $60,880 after a slight increase. Immediate resistance and support levels identified for near-term movement. Technical indicators suggest a continued upward trend, with Fibonacci levels in focus. The technical landscape is further defined by a 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level at $60,880, where the formation of a doji candle hints at the likelihood of continued bullish momentum. Yet, a slip below this level could see Bitcoin targeting the $58,800 or $55,850, correlating to the 38.2% and 61.8% Fibonacci levels, respectively. The current RSI at 69 and the 50-day EMA at $56,307 underscore a bullish trend above $60,880. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from industry talk and crypto news, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 cryptocurrencies. Follow us on Google News.